Hi guys, my name is Retro. Today we are going to be sinking everything that's not a ship in Floating Sandbox. I don't even know if this actually needs sinking. Might sink on its own, but we're just going to kind of cut off this part. Don't know what will happen. Yeah, it's just kind of getting flooded there. Wait, it's attached by a string. Oh, it broke. For a second, I thought that part might pull it down or something. That didn't work. Okay, yeah. That might do more damage. It probably isn't. Middle cut? Yeah. This was pretty boring. Let's do another one that's physically entertaining. This was the same one, wasn't it? Okay. Yes, this one seems much better. It is noble. I'll just split it in half. And okay. This one seems cool. I guess we won't need to cut it, it's already flooding. I'll just watch this flood naturally. Try this one again, because maybe we'll actually get some good rust out of it. Nope. Okay, you know what I think we need to do to make it fly? So it's paused right now. If we get a tool, and we can just kind of lift it up a bit. Now, since it's still paused, we can turn on all of these things. Then we'll unpause it. Yes, it's flying! So we'll get it like upwards. Do that. Yeah, you're the pilot now. And it's gonna crash into that border. This has been very fun. So let's try that just one more time. Okay? I think we deserve to do that just one more time. Went a little fast this time, so how about if we do that? This one seems very good. I just don't know. Shall we make it fly? It is flying pretty well. It's not really doing that bad. Okay, now it's falling. Goodbye, everybody. We're going down. Oh, it kind of sunk in. Some of this got flooded. It's just gonna sink, but that's like it's still barely flooding. I don't think this is realistic. Oh, hello, are there still people inside here? stuff, because we, as you know, we think Industries is running low on supplies to make these ships. It's like, we need lights to get more money to afford more metals and plastics to restore this ship. If you watch my other videos, which I highly recommend, we haven't been doing the best on preserving our ships. Oh, and I also owned a company for some reason of sinking stuff. No, I sink the stuff, but they make it. It's supposed to be like a trade company. It's called Worldwide Trades. I call it Worldwide. So yeah, bye everybody. Have a great day.